Yes, welcome back, Jude. So again, as we mentioned, let's complete future forms. How to express predictions using will and want, positive and the negative forms, right? As we explained in our last lesson, we use going to, planning to, would like, and want to express your future forms or your future plans and intentions. But today, only focus on how we use will and want to express predictions. Predictions means something you expect about something you are not sure in the future. Maybe sure or unsure or not sure. Right? So Luke is let's
I
start with listening. Luke, someone is Luke, planning to go on holiday. Listen to his conversation. What kind of holiday is it? We have just finished describing different types of holidays. So, according to this schedule, listen to Luke and expect which holiday is he planning to go on. Ready to listen?
Yes.
Okay, listen, please. Unit 6, recording 1. Listening?
Yes.
Yeah, on a motorbike, from north to south. Nearly 3 weeks. I can't wait.
Good for you. So, when are you planning to go?
I'm not absolutely sure. When's the best time?
Well, don't go in our winter. July, August time. Remember, the winter and the summer are the other way round there.
Right.
So, December to January is probably the best time.
Will it be hot in January?
Oh, it depends where you are. Possibly. But you'll need some warm clothes, especially if you're on a motorbike.
Okay, maybe January. It'll be nice to have some sunshine after Christmas. Oh, one thing. How about visas?
You've got a British passport, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so you won't need a visa. You can stay up to 6 months.
Really? Oh, that's great.
Lucky you. You'll love it. But anyway, tell me a bit more about this motor.
What do you think, Yajud? Which holiday is he planning to go on?
Motorbike tour of
Yes.
New Zealand.
Perfect. Perfect. Yes. So now let's listen again, but this time please answer the three questions. The question one: when is the best month to go to New Zealand? What does Donna tell Luke to take with him? What does Donna tell Luke about getting a visa? So listen carefully again and answer the three questions.
Unit 6, recording 1.
So, I hear you're going to have a holiday in New Zealand. Wow.
Yeah, on a motorbike, from north to south. Nearly 3 weeks. I can't wait.
Good for you. So, when are you planning to go?
I'm not absolutely sure. When's the best time?
Well, don't go in our winter. July, August time. Remember, the winter and the summer are the other way round there.
Right.
So, December to January is probably the best time.
Will it be hot in January?
Oh, it depends where you are. Possibly. But you'll need some warm clothes, especially if you're on a motorbike.
Okay, maybe January. It'll be nice to have some sunshine after Christmas. Oh, one thing. How about visas?
You've got a British passport, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so you won't need a visa. You can stay up to 6 months.
Really? Oh, that's great.
Lucky you. You'll love it. But anyway, tell me a bit more about this motor.
So when is the best month to go to New Zealand?
In January.
Yeah. What does Donatello look to take with him?
Maybe more.
Warm clothes,
Yes.
because it might be cold. Yeah. But what does Donatello look about getting a visa?
That he don't have to take with him
Yes, he
visa
doesn't
because he
have.
has passport.
Yeah, he has a British passport. Right. So now, Jude, here, look at the sentences. Which of the following do they describe? Okay. Again, look at the sentences. Which of the following do they describe? The first one, you will need some warm clothes. It will be nice to have some shine. You are planning to do things you expect to happen, things you would like to happen. The first one, you will need some clothes. So is it A or B or C?
About the question at B, right?
B. Here, you are planning things that you are planning to do, things you expect to happen, things you would like to happen. You will need some warm clothes. So
At question 2.
type. It will be nice to have some shine.
They
Things
don't describe this.
you are expect to happen, right? So what does will mean?
Right.
Will here means what? Means what? What does will
Can you
mean?
repeat?
Here apostrophe LL means well. Well,
Yes.
okay? So this is short form and this is long form. Okay, so now please go to page, this one. Okay, before we go to the one page 48, 148, for further explanation about prediction. This one. We use will
Okay.
what we expect to happen. We use it when there is no particular plan or intention. Again, ya Jude, we use will if you don't have any particular plans or intentions. ولا في نية ولا في خوف. شيء يعني تنبؤ تماما. شيء ممكن أو لا يمكن. For example, the weather will be very hot in July. This is what we expect. Will here means I expect this. والله أتوقع كده, but I am not sure. Another question. Will there be a lot of people? يعني what do you expect? هل تتوقع في ناس كتير هنا؟ Will there be? The second function, as I told you before يا جود, يعني احنا في B1 level the main focus on the functions. انت already خلاص عرفت انه will و won't.
Yes.
لكن احنا دورنا هنا في B1 level ان افهم ايه الموقف المناسب ان استخدم will. ايه الموقف المناسب استخدم going to او planning to. ضروري اميز هنا.
Okay.
الا لغتك خلاص بقت اعلى B1 level. Okay? So the second situation what? Note the difference between will and going to here. لاحظ الفرق بين going to و will. We are going to visit London every today أو London Eye today. معناها إيه؟ We are going to visit London Eye. London Eye ده this is landmark in London, مكان مشهور في لندن. ليه هنا استخدمت
Okay.
معناها إيه؟ معناها this is what we intend. This is what we plan. والله ده اللي احنا ناويين نعمله أو مخططين له. طب الولد الثاني اللي قال it will be busy. ركزي. It will be busy. We will have to queue. معناه ايه الكلام ده؟ هنا ليه يستخدم will ما قالش going to ليه؟ Because this is what
ممكن.
This is what you expect. فعلا حقيقي. It will be busy. It will have to queue. وده اللي حصل معي أنا شخصيا. I went there while I was studying for my master degree in the UK, and I visited the London Eye, but I spent more than 3 hours waiting in a long queue. And finally, I had to leave without using the London Eye. Okay, why? Because it will be busy and you will have to queue. This is true, by the way. Type another one. We use will, won't in short answers. We use will, won't in short answer. For example, will it be very hot? بسألك مثلا عن غدا توقيع الطقس غدا بقول لك will it be hot أو very hot؟ هتقولي لي yes it will أو no it won't. طيب will you need an umbrella؟ Yes you will أو no you won't. Okay? So notice also يا Jude, notice there are no will forms of can must. Will be able to أو will have to. Okay? يعني إذا استخدمنا will ما ينفعش آخد will can أو must. For example, will be able to. Will be able to معناها إيه؟ يعني ده في المستقبل. ما ينفعش أقول you can be able to. No, we will be able to go swimming every day. أو you will have to take exam of warm clothes. Mean this stands for must in the future. So far so good, Jude? Jude, are you following?
About
Will, what is the last point?
it be busy and will have to queue.
Okay, that's it. So again, we use will, won't in short forms, like will be very hot. Well, yes, it will. Oh, no, it won't. Will you need an umbrella? You can yes, we will, or you will, or no, you won't. And notice here there are no will forms of can and must. For example, the future of can, you can say we will be able to. We will be able to. Or for must, say will have to. Will have to. Like this one. Will be able to go swimming every day. Will be able to go swimming every day. Or you will have to take warm clothes. Is it clear now how to use will and won't for predictions?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
so now here, let's finish this quickly, please. Make sentences refer to future by using correct form, will or won't. It's difficult to find a parking place. How to say it? It's
It will
difficult.
be difficult.
Excellent, well done. It will be difficult. It will be difficult. Type, she isn't at home on Tuesday. She isn't at
She
home.
won't.
Perfect, Jude. She won't. يعني she will not be at home, or she won't be at home on Tuesday. Is your cousin at home? Is your cousin?
Will your cousin
Perfect.
be at home?
Will your cousin be at home? Well done. طيب, can you find your way without a map? This is a good question for you.
Will you find?
Will you be able to find? هشيل can واخد اللي بيسويها اللي هي ايه؟ Will be able to. This one. Will be able to. قادر على. يبقى نقول له will be. Will you be able to and complete. Find your way without a map. Will you be able to find your way without a map? That's the last one. The last bus has gone, so we must walk. How to say it?
We will say
Must walk. Must use what? Will have to.
will have to.
So the last bus has gone, so we
yes,
will have.
we have
We'll have to. Have.
must.
No. Must, no. I can't use must for the future.
Must.
So to remove must, say will have to. Will have to.
Yeah.
Okay, so here, you can do this question in your homework, Jude. Put the words in the correct order to make questions. So just please complete number one. Will long the take how bus? How to say this question?
How long?
Yes.
How long the bus take?
How long will? How long
the
will?
bus?
How long will the
Yes,
bus
how
take?
long will the bus take?
Again, how long will
How
the
long
bus
will the
take?
bus take?
How long will the bus take? How long will the bus take? So please, after you complete these questions, match them to the right answers. Okay, Jude?
Okay.
So
Okay.
this is the end of our class today. In this way, we're finished. Unit 6, Grammar Focus, Grammar 1 and 2 finished. So the remaining parts, inshallah, we should finish them in our next class. Until we meet, please complete the grammar to be ready for test 3. Test 3 covers units 5 and 6. And after we finish, inshallah, Rabbil Alameen, unit 7, you should be ready for mid-course exam. So please start revising. Make your study plan from unit 1 to unit 5. Once you finish 6, you take unit test 3. And then after 7, you should be ready for mid-course. Okay? Wishing you all the best. Thank you, Jude. Thank you. Stay safe. Aman.
Thank you.